Statement from the Cabinet Secretary for Transport in North Wales on the delivery of road projects in West Wales. As you know, over the years I have continually raised traffic and safety concerns about the A487 in Lower Town Fishguard in my constituency, and despite positive commitments from the Welsh Government over the years, there has been no progress in improving safety in this area for the local community. At present, the road layout requires pedestrians to cross the same bridge used by vehicles of all sizes, which, as you can appreciate, creates a situation that's extremely unsafe for residents. This is a matter that's above party politics, and I've been working with the local MP to secure a safe solution for the community. We met with the Cabinet Secretary in June last year to discuss this, and since then we've been trying to secure a meeting with Welsh Government officials. I chased the Welsh Government in October, and we've still had no response to my correspondence. So, Trefny, the community are desperate to see some action, and so I'd be grateful if the Welsh Government could provide an update on its road projects in West Wales so that we can understand exactly what is being done to improve the local infrastructure and make it safer for all of my constituents.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davies. Well, this is obviously very focused, particularly you mentioned that road safety issues in Fishguard in your constituency, and I'm glad you have had collaboration with elected representatives, and presumably that also, of course, means Pembrokeshire Council, because they get allocated road safety funding. But I will follow up a question about correspondence and meeting with officials of the Cabinet Secretary to particularly look at that one issue in terms of road projects in West Wales.